Here's a 70s classic to take a look at, a unique specialty in classics. 1979 Ford Thunderbird, two-door hardtop. Dove gray, this is the original color of the car, believed to be original miles. A little over 38,000 miles on this one. 302 powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Paint condition on this car, it appears to be original. I'll show you there is some checking on the trunk. I did notice, but overall car shows nice. Nice one for any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, undersides, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing wheels. Nice look on this car. And then take a look at the panels up and down the length of this. You can see, does not appear that there's been any prior body work. How straight those panels are, those long ones. Very easy to tell. They start to get a lot of body work done to them. Interior, original cloth bent seat up front. Shift around the column. Very stock looking interior, and you can see the top of the dash, free of cracks, fading, weather checking. Now back here is where you can see the paint does show its age some on the trunk. Up into the tops of the fenders a little bit. But overall, again, it shows very well. You got to kind of be right on top of it to see that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome on the rear bumper. Shows well. And again, check out the underside of this, engine bay, interior pics, all at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see how straight those panels are. A little bit of a dinger in this bright work right here. Point that out. Pretty much free of any other major dings, nicks, or scratches as far as in the driver's side paint. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Door panels, original, as well as the carpeting. Of course, this is one of those kind of red and burgundy colors. When I get on top of it, it's going to fade it out. Right there is your true color of the interior. As I get up on top of it, if you've watched our videos before, it does start to look like it fades out, but that is the true color of the interior right there. Let's go ahead and start this up. Did you hear it run? Check out those exact miles. If you can see them. It's a little tough to get them to focus in. It is 38,617. There you go, you can kind of see it. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I got a good still picture of it. And again, AC blows cold. Take a look at the gauges. Amp meter working, fuel gauge at half. Was a cold start, so I'd assume the temperature gauge would be there. And oil pressure also working. Whereas radio, let's click that on a second. Is an AM radio. And it sounds like radio does work also. Station there. Alright. Again, top of the dash. And headliner also intact in nice shape. Chokes on, so we got a little higher idle than normal. I'll kick that down here in a second. We'll check out the engine bay. Sounds as you would expect, a 79 Thunderbird to sound. Again, 302 underneath the hood. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get it off that high idle and we'll check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, under the hood shot here. Nice and tidy. Here's that 302. It's like a newer master cylinder. And again, power brakes, power steering. AC is still R12, and again, it blows cold. Compressor kicked right on and off. Smooth runner. And again, believed to be original miles, and taking a look at this engine bay would not surprise me one bit. A little over 38,000 miles. According to previous owners, they are original. Good sounding 302. So there you go, 1979 Ford Thunderbird, 2-door hardtop. Dove Gray, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.